This video is for week 4 of ITCE and it covers slide 16 and slide 17, where I provide verbal instructions on how to complete the reflection, which is worth 5%, called Potential Sources for My Informational Interview. So there's two options. You can either submit this in written format, that's option 1, or you can submit it as a screencast-o-matic or a PowerPoint or whatever recording, so as a video. So it's the same instructions really, it's just the format that you submit it. It is due, I'm pretty sure it's due this Sunday, but double check the assignment Dropbox. It's due Sunday, I think October the 3rd at 6 p.m. So use the instructions in slides 7 to 15 to identify somebody that you can interview. Use Scott's Directory, LinkedIn, or some other tool, okay? And you're going to identify 3 or 4 businesses or individual people or contact people at a college or university if you're exploring academic pathways. Okay, so I want you to have 3 or 4 options. Then I want you to insert the name of each of those options and a link to their website or their contact information, their LinkedIn profile, whatever it is, in the comments field of the potential sources reflection assignment Dropbox. Okay, and below each of the options for you to contact, explain why you selected them, okay, and what you hope to learn if and when you conduct an informational interview with them. So I'm asking you to find at least 3 or 4 different possibilities, because they're not all gonna, maybe you have a preferred one, but it might not work out. So I want you to have some backup plans, okay? And like I said, the other option is to record yourself and just have the business website or the career person's information, the LinkedIn profile, whatever, on the screen, and again explain why you selected them and what you hope to learn.